Sounds like it's been really tough making friends out there. But I can see why. If you keep going on about these characters coming out of your video game... Mark, even if it's true, I wouldn't tell anyone else. Because they might send you to the nearest loony bin.
I'm not afraid of going to the loony bin, Pete. I'm afraid of what Lord Fear might try to do to get my piece of the amulet.
Do the names Franklin, Edison, and Watt mean anything to you? What's that you say?
Wake up, you!
Recognize the world's preeminent researchers in the field of electricity? Then it's time to take your dunce caps off and put your thinking caps
Pay
on.
attention.
And prepare to be
There will be a quiz.
by the wonders of electricity. Since Ben Franklin flew a kite in 1752, scientists have marveled at the mystery of the energy we call electricity. Electricity is all around us.
Bingo. Oh, yeah, I hate it when you do that.
Quit jabbering, you idiot. Have you found him?
Oh, yeah, I sure did, boss. Up there. And he's got the amulet.
The amulet. You're sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Have I ever let you down before, LF? Oh!
Repeatedly. But now we shall have the infinite pleasure of eliminating this so-called lightning knight. And you, my faithful rat, may do the honors.
Oh, I love this part of the job.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Once Ace Lightning's sidekick is out of the way, we'll be one step closer to getting out of this dimension. Another piece of the amulet will be mine.
Boss, this joint gives me the creeps.
It's called a school, you vacuous vermin. It's a place where mortals learn.
Huh. Oh, yeah? Well, reminds me of prison in the 6th dimension.
Without his sidekick, Ace Lightning will be a pitiful, helpless super-zero.
Oh, Lord Fear in school. Just in time for a little physical education.
Ace Lightning, I must say this is an unexpected pleasure.
I'll give you an A for effort, Rat, but an F for execution.
Next time you won't be so lucky. Sooner or later, I will pulverize you and your puny sidekick.
You leave him out of this. Huh?
Class dismissed.
Sing that song. Do-da, do-da.
Duff!
What? I didn't do it.
Get us out of here, you bumbling oaf, and step on it!
Never sell any ice cream with him around.
Good. At least they're safe. For now.
Yes. You missed the party of the century at Holly's house. Wish you were here.
Your door's broken.
My dad's gonna freak when he sees that.
Forget about the door. This is serious. Lord Fear is on your tail. We had a little rumble at your school today.
But that's impossible. He can't lead the carnival at this level. It says so. Right here in the rule book.
Lord Fear is playing by a different set of rules, kid. You still have that piece of the amulet?
Yeah, I never let it out my sight.
That's what he's after. Why don't you give it back to me? That way, you'll be safe.
No. I'll keep it. I said I'll be your partner, and I meant it. I'm not gonna break my promise.
Way to go, kid. Heroes always keep their promises.
I'm not a hero. I just want to figure out how to get my life back to normal.
That makes two of us.
Huh?
Don't move. And don't touch anything.
Hey, dude. Thought I'd see what you're up to. You want a shot, man? Sometimes it comes out of your nose. It's really cool.
No, I'm not that hungry.
What's that? It sounds like a blender. You making milkshakes?
Look, Chuck, it's not a good time.
How come? Is somebody else here? Another friend?
Well, no, not exactly.
Who is it, Brett? Samantha?
Look, Chuck, you can't come in.
I understand. We have been hanging around for 2 days already. You're probably sick of me. I'll see you around.
Ace! Not the blender. It's not enough you messed my life up. Could have wrecked my house, too.
Am I missing something here? Lord Fear is the problem, not the blender. Now listen up. I've got a plan.
Great.
We go to the Carnival of Doom and find out what Lord Fear and his gang are up to. We may be able to take his piece of the amulet.
I can't go. My parents will be back soon. I've got to set the table and...
Look, kid, Lord Fear's power is growing, and we are the only Lightning Knights who can stop him.
You don't get it, do you? I can't go. My parents have rules.
Well, tell them the rules have changed.
Right, I'll just leave them a note. Gone to save the world. Be home for dinner. Ace, are you here?
Hey, psst, this way. Follow me. Hey, psst, over here.
What is it?
I caught a whiff of a mortal, but it's gone.
Come.
Come on. Let's get closer.
Hey, Chops! Heads up!
They've gone. This is not good.
Yeah, you said it, kid. I'd give a gigabyte to know where they were going.
Now remember, we're not here to hurt him. We just want to borrow him for a while.
Yes, boss. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Another well-deserved F. Wrong. Wrong. Right. For the wrong reason.
Who are you? I see your hall pass, please?
Ah, you must be the school teacher. We need help with an extracurricular project.
Oh, you stay away from me. Not bad. That's school property, young man. I mean, young pig. Young pig man. Oh, mother.
Relax. We're just pulling your leg.
This is an outrage! I'm a science teacher! I've got tenure! I have a parking spot!
Are you sure you haven't seen the blender?
Probably in a box somewhere. It'll turn up. Sorry I missed you yesterday. Work went pretty late. How's it going?
Fine.
Yeah, do anything special?
No, same old stuff. Trying to save the world as we know it.
Good to hear. Right, I better go. I'm running late.
All right, darling.
Bye-bye, love.
Bye. Have a good day.
See ya.
No, Dad, wait! The door!
Oh, I don't understand. The whole place is falling to bits.
It's that shoddy American construction, that's what it is. It's a wonder any of these prefab houses are still standing.
I'll fix it tonight.
Today promises to be a most interesting day at school. Isn't that right, teacher?
Aha!
Mark!
Red!
Goal! 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 Yeah!
Nice goal. It's a perfect pass.
Enjoy it now, kid, because you're about to meet your nightmare.
Obedient to a Prayer's law and Faraday's law, this electrostatic generator, also called a dynamo, converts mechanical energy into electrical energy thus. Science! It's so electric, isn't it? Now, if I apply a lot more mechanical energy, I should produce a much more powerful electrical current. Any volunteers?
Hey, Mr. C over here.
Cut it out, Wayne! Let me go!
We have a volunteer.
Yeah, give Chucky Upchuck some shock therapy. Maybe it'll cure his barfing sickness.
Maybe it's your face that makes him puke.
You looking for new friends, Hollander? 'Cause you're about to meet my fist. Ah! Get
It's
him
okay,
off
Chuck,
me.
don't eat him.
Ah, Mr. Hollander. Old chappie. My favorite little troublemaker, huh? Would you like to be the next volunteer? Huh?
Wayne started it.
Yeah, that's not fair.
I will decide what is fair here. Mr. Hollander, Mr. Bugle, you can both come to detention tomorrow. 3 p.m., yes. I think that will be most enjoyable. Remember, boys and girls, there'll be a quiz. Oh, yes, there'll be a quiz.
Oh, man. Detention. This is so cool.
Maybe it's different here. But back home, detention's a bad thing.
Don't you get it, dude? Everyone saw me take a bite out of Wayne. It's totally worth it sitting in Chesborough's class for a few hours.
Maybe. But what's with Chesborough? Did you see what he did to that desk?
That That was awesome. It was like straight out of a Jackie Chan movie. Hi-ya!
Exactly. Something's not right, Chuck. I think we may need to pay another visit to the carnival.
Well, I'm psyched for some action, dude. Let's rock and roll. Ouch.
I can't believe Cheesy gave you that detention. It really sucks. Nothing even happened to Wayne.
Well, he did have to get a tetanus shot from the nurse.
Sweet.
So, given any thought to coming out for soccer practice after school? We could really use you on the team.
Thanks, Brett. That would be brilliant.
But I thought we were going to check out the carnival.
Oh, right.
What is it with you guys in that carnival?
We're playing
nothing. Oh, well, we better be going. Chat later about the team, Brett. Bye.
I like the new kid, but he seems kind of different, no?
Yeah, no.
Hey, dude.
Right. Well, the first thing we gotta do is find Mr. Chesbro.
Chesbro?
Yeah, I can't explain it, but I think he's around here somewhere. Okay, now we're gonna split up, and I'll meet you back here in 10 minutes.
Fine with me, amigo.
Ladies and gents, boils and germs, step up, and be prepared to be frightened to near death. I have for you here today our latest wonder. Ow! For your personal chills and thrills. So, behold, the man! Flying fish!
I'm not mad. I'm angry. Get me out of here. Let me out. I am not an animal. I'm a prisoner. The monsters have got me. The monsters.
Please do not feed the mad scientist, folks.
Got to let me out of here. Please.
The monster's coming.
I have classes to teach. They'll hire a substitute. Do you want someone teaching the law of physics when they can't even spell law? Please, the pain, the humanity.
I'm gonna squash this bug.
Easy, Piggy. The boss wants live bait.
Ace!
Oh, yeah, sure. You really think we're gonna fall for that old trick? I mean, how stupid do we look?
You want an honest answer?
Now I squash him.
Is this a private party, or can anyone join?
Uh-oh.
Care to pick on someone who can fight back?
I'm through fooling around. He was just the appetizer. You are the main course.
Well, I'm flattered, pork rind. You know, I could go for a little back bacon myself. Time for that little piggy to go home.
Hey, Ace. You know, we didn't mean no harm. We was just, like playing around.
Oh, you want to play? Okay, let's have some real fun. Piece of cake.
Speaking of cake, I better go find Chuck.
Wait, did they say anything else?
Not really. Oh, something about live bait. Oh no, Chuck! Chuck, you okay?
No, man, I'm totally bummed. They're out of powdered sugar.
But you found Mr. Chesbro.
Not yet.
What have you been doing all this time?
Eating.
Chuck, some things are more important than food. It's depending on you to find him.
Oh, we're still friends, right? We can still play the game together?
We're still friends. Come on, let's go find Mr. Chesbro.
I already found him. He was in a cage, doing some kind of clown act or something.
Cool. We know where he is. Can we eat now?
Yeah, we know that he's chained up like a prisoner and people are throwing popcorn at him. Doesn't that seem a little strange?
What's so strange about that? You probably need the extra money anyway. Teachers are way underpaid.
I don't think that...
Samantha, why did you come here anyway?
I was intrigued. Not about you, about this game of yours.
Well, I promise. Someday I'll tell you all about it. And when I make a promise, I try to keep it.
All right, Hollander, you're off the hook. For now.
Funnel cake?
Hi, Pete, it's me. You wouldn't believe how much this video game has taken over my life. I know it sounds crazy, but I think Lord Fear has kidnapped my science teacher and replaced him with Lady Illusion. The worst part is I've got a detention with him, well, her, tomorrow. And I can't explain it, but I think it's got something to do with Lady Illusion and the amulet. And I can't rescue Mr. Chesbro. I can't even rescue myself without Ace Lightning. Oh, yeah, and there's this girl called Samantha. She's getting really suspicious.
Mark, dinner's ready.
Be right there, Dad. Well, Pete, I gotta go. Don't know what I'm gonna do.
Every step I take, I think of Lightning and how he crippled me in battle. Now that arrogant fool has followed us here to this new dimension, and here is where we'll crush him once and for all. And at last, my vengeance will be complete.